Every second of this court is a time of the people who have invested heavily in this institution. 3 full days have worked. Now we are on the 4th day. We can endlessly hear one case in the year, and that's our performance. I'm here to hear you. Please conclude your submissions. If someone wants to ask a question, if you start responding to each query, I don't even know what your argument is. And I would request the honorable members of the bench to at least let counsel complete his submission.
As a judge of the court sitting on this bench, I'm able to ask.
Of course,
counsel.
ask it. Let learned
So I'm
counsel
asking
finish his submissions.
If I'm interrupted all the time, I'm sorry to say, sir, that is not proper.
I think the interruption
asking-
is of
I'm
learned
asking-
counsel. No, I think counsel is entitled to argue any which way they want to.
Achha.
Let us hear you.
Yes.
I have to hear you, decide what you say, and if we have already formed opinions, we can reflect them in our judgments. Please
Not a
continue,
question.
otherwise
I'm
we
sorry,
will
this is
never
not a question
conclude
of
these
forming an
hearings.
opinion. This is a question that as a judge of the court sitting on this bench, I'm able to ask.
Of course,
counsel.
ask